Hi everyone, Miss Z here. In this video, I will show you how to draw straight lines in Jamboard on a computer or an iPad. If you use a computer, follow these steps. Step 1. Open a new Jamboard. Step 2. Click the pen symbol on the left menu bar. Step 3. Hold the Shift key on your keyboard. Step 4. Left-click with your mouse and drag. The same trick applies to the marker, the highlighter, and the brush functions in Jamboard. Now you can perform vertical line tests on the Jamboard. If you use an iPad, follow these steps. Step 1. Open a new Jamboard. Step 2. Click the pen symbol on the left menu bar. Step 3. Select Assistive Drawing Tools. Step 4. Select the shape recognition icon. Step 5. Start drawing lines in Jamboard. With the iPad, you can only draw straight lines with solid lines. The shape recognition tool does not apply to marker, highlighter, or brush.